Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and good time of the day to you. In this video we're discussing how to transfer Bitcoin from PayPal to another wallet. So do you want to transfer Bitcoin from your PayPal account to another wallet? This is how it's done. Number 1, open the PayPal app, log into your PayPal account. Navigate to your crypto section and tap on the PayPal icon, after that crypto, and select Bitcoin. Select withdraw. Tap on a transfer and then withdraw buttons to transfer your Bitcoin. Enter the wallet address. Enter the Bitcoin wallet address if the destination wallet you want. After that, step number 4, enter the wallet address. You can enter the Bitcoin wallet address of the destination wallet you want to send funds to. Confirm transfer details. Review the transfer details. After that, you can just complete the transfer, tap confirm and finalize the transfer. The Bitcoin will show up on your destination wallet shortly depending on the network congestion and speed. That's it guys, now you know how to transfer Bitcoin from PayPal to another wallet. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, press like on it and of course subscribe to our channel too, more stuff like this. Thanks for watching, see you next time.